All right, YouTube. What I've done here, what I've done here is made my own gutter cleaning tool using my wet vac. And all you have to do really is, I guess, first of all, make sure you have a long enough hose. But other than that, just attach something round on the tip of it. What I did was used an old cane or something. And make sure you got a curve in your hose that's not going to come undone. And to make it long enough for your needs, I just use PVC pipe. And all you have to do is, just when you get up there, just stick it in your gutters and vacuum back and forth as so until you have everything out of there that you're trying to get out. And that's how you will do it. Just attach it to a wet vac and you have your own homemade gutter cleaning tool. No need to hire anybody, no need to climb ladders. Everything done safely from the ground at no cost. You may spend a couple of dollars on PVC piping if you don't have anything laying around already. You can also shape the little round part right there from PVC with a couple of 90-degree elbows or 45 degrees. But you'll need two of them, of course. But it all can be done for a couple of dollars if you don't have PVC pipe already. And that'll save you a lot of dollars on cleaning them gutters. And that's all I have to show today. If you guys like the video, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.